Assalamualaikum. In the beginning, name of Allah is most mighty and most merciful. So we are going to know the chapter number 2, that is functions of JavaScript. So we are going to learn functions. Make a 2.html file and control. Put the doc type here, and you have to change the name of document. What will be the name of JavaScript? JS. So I am going to write a script here simply, and we are going to learn functions. What are the functions? First, what I am going to call here, I am going to call here an paragraph with the ID A. Simple. Come here, and I will call here button 2. Only button with and nothing more. I will write here on click command script. We are going to first, you have to make a variable of id a of an element paragraph. How to make the id, how to make the element? What is the syntax? Let a equal to document dot get element by the id. What is the id? A. Enough. Come down. Now if I call what? And function A, not A, there is a mistake. Function A, if I write do it like this. If I call function A, so there is it and function. So if I call here what? A, if I call here A dot inner HTML equal to what? Number 12. So if I click here if I come here in the button and click right here on click and call the function B, save it, and you have to go live here. There is an on click. If I click it, so there will be the 12. If you have to hide it, so you have to copy it, and the B will be what? C, and the 12 will be what? Nothing. Come here, that will be amount like this. Come here in the button, you have to make a on double click too. On double click the function C, save it. Come here, click on click, there is 12. On double click, that will be hide simply. So if I come here and give you one more function P1 and P2, that two we can use by using HTML and JavaScript. We can do like in previous video I was telling you about many things. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. Allah Hafiz.